Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to get from the Phoenix Airport to downtown Phoenix using public transportation. During the video, I'll show you how to get to the light rail station, how to pay for your fare, and what it's like on board the train. We start our journey here in Terminal 4 at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. To reach the light rail station, we will first need to take the automated people mover named SkyTrain. If you're traveling light like myself, stay on this level and follow signs for the SkyTrain. If you have checked bags, head down the escalators to baggage claim on level 1. Once you have your belongings, head back up to level 3 using the multitude of elevators and follow signs for the SkyTrain. When you see this pretty great logo for the SkyTrain, proceed down this hallway. The platform is up one more level and you will have the option between elevators or escalators to reach it. Our transfer point for the light rail will be the 44th Street station. Find one of the signs in the middle to see which side of the platform you should board from. If you board a train that says rental cars, you're going the wrong way. The trains run very frequently, so you won't have to wait very long. It's level boarding and has a few seats, but mostly space for standing with bags. We will only be riding the SkyTrain 2 stops and will be getting off at the last stop before the train turns around. Above the doors, there is this handy digital map showing the direction the train is headed in and what stop is next. The total time on the SkyTrain takes about 10 minutes. After arriving at the 44th Street station, turn left after exiting the train and follow the signs for the Metro light rail down these escalators or by using the elevators beyond. Luckily, this station is enclosed and has air conditioning, which is important for a place like Phoenix. After going down one level, we will walk across this enclosed pedestrian bridge to the light rail station. This transfer takes about 5 minutes at a leisurely pace. It's a fairly long walk, but not that bad since there is air conditioning. There are two ways to pay for your fare. You can buy a reloadable fare card named the Copper Card at one of these machines, or download the Valley Metro app and load a fare there. I decided to get a physical card as a souvenir. It does cost $4 for just the card and an additional $2 for one-way fare or $4 for the daily pass. The virtual card with the app does not charge the $4 fee and might have been the better way to go. With my loaded Copper Card in hand, let's head down the escalator to the platform. There are no fare gates, but rather these purple validators that you must tap your card or scan the QR code on your app before boarding. These platforms are not like the SkyTrain and have no air conditioning, but do have a lot of shade. The trains run every 15 minutes for most of the day and 20 minutes for non-peak times. These times can vary though, since some of the line is street running and the light rail vehicles might get stuck in traffic. Luckily, we only had to wait a few minutes for our A-Line train to arrive. The A-Line is the only line that calls at this station. Be sure to catch the westbound train to Downtown Hub. Trains on the other side of the platform will take you to Tempe, ASU, and end in Mesa. All the doors are level boarding and have a decent amount of room for luggage, although these spaces are reserved for those with mobility devices, so you may have to move. The trains had great air conditioning, and as annoying as it is to have the dots on the windows, it kept the sun from heating up the interior. If you sit in these forward-facing seats, the legroom is not great at all for someone like me who is 6'4". The train was really clean and had a security officer who came around with a device to check your fare card to see if you validated at the station. For most of this 18-minute journey, the train runs in its own right of way, but as we approach downtown, we end up sharing the street with cars that makes us slow down quite a bit. We will be getting off at the Downtown Hub station, which is the end of the line. Here you can transfer to the other light rail line or walk to your destination. If you're staying in downtown Phoenix, this is by far the most cost-effective and fairly simple way to get there. It takes 34 minutes total from the terminal to this station and only costs $2. Compare that with the flat rate of $20 a taxi would charge you before tip. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm off to find some shade.